Okay, so we're trying to figure out, again, an expression. Algebraic means it has variables in it. We can't solve it because we don't know what the variables are represented by. We don't have the numbers for the variables. Okay? So we're trying to figure out the area. What shape is this? We are trying to find the area of a triangle. We did this in chapter 2. How do you represent the area of a triangle? What's the formula? Yes. Base times height divided by 2. I want everyone to copy that down the way I wrote it. Base. Okay, this is the base. And we're multiplying it by the height. So, in our diagram, we need to label what part of this triangle would I label as the base. Would it be the bottom here, or would it be this part? Which one's the base, Abigail? The bottom. So this is the base, and this would be the height. So, again, we cannot solve this. We're just writing an expression. Area would be equal to, what is the base? 2x. Excellent. So I'm going to write 2x, and then we're going to put it in brackets, okay? Because if you put times, it looks like an x. So just put it in brackets. Base multiplied by, what is the height? X. Divided by 2. That's it. But we have to simplify it. So we have 2x, right? 2 x's. And I'm multiplying it by 1x. Altogether, I have, to cover the space, I would have 1x squared and another x squared. So I would have 2x squared altogether. So the numerator here would be 2x squared, but I still have to divide by 2 because the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Well, the base times the height is 2x squared. Does that make sense? How do I simplify this now? What's 2 divided by 2? It reduces to 1. So I can put 1 x squared, or you don't even have to put this 1 there. You can erase that, and you can just write that the area of this triangle is just equal to x squared. If this is a square, right, this side is equal to this side, and this side, what is each side represented by? K. How do you find the area of a square? Length times width. Length times width. So I'm doing K times K. What's K times K? K squared. K to the power of 2. That's it. That's the answer for B. And let's do C. Okay, so we have area of a rectangle, again, is length times width. Right? Length times width. What is the length represented by? No, for C. The length is 4h, so fill that in, 4h. And the width is just h. So what is the simplified area? What's h times h? Good, so it would be 4h squared. That's your answer.